Right, unboxing the TW120. You've got your hose, you've got your power lance, your gun, and parts of your handle. Not forgetting the pressure washer itself. And your nozzle and screws. And your manual. Your handle comes in 4 parts. You've got your right side and your left side, indicated with an R and an L on the back. You slide your right side in first, your left side, and then you have your middle carriage for your hose. Slide it into the middle and you'll hear it click. Now, to fully assemble this, there's 3 screw placements. 2 are for the handle, 1 is to go onto the machine. Before you put it onto the machine, do your 4 screws here, and then attach it to your machine, like so. And then finally, your last 2 screws will be here and here. Once you have your handle attached, you get your hose, hang it up on the front carriage, spin them around, attach your gun to the back here, attach your nozzle to your power lance, and slide them into the back, and he clips in. Finally, you have your detergent bottle that just slots onto the side, and there you have your complete unit. Like all of the other Turtle Wax pressure washer range, this can utilise all the other attachments like the 90 degree, the patio cleaner, spinning brush, fixed brush, and the snow foam bottle.